Hey drawing friends! Welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color in a smiling earth. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with, but anything will work. I'll be using some computer paper to draw on, an ultrafine point Sharpie to draw with, and some Prismacolor Premier colored pencils to color with. So, let's get right on into drawing. If you don't have your drawing supplies ready yet, make sure you pause the video and go get them. Also, make sure you have something underneath your drawing so that you don't get anything on your table. So, first I'm going to take the lid off my Sharpie so that I'm ready to draw. So first off, we're going to draw a circle. Now if you want to, you can grab something to trace, but I'm just going to freehand it. It might not be perfect, but if it's not perfect, that's fine. So we're just going to go in and we're going to draw our circle. Now however big your circle is how big your drawing is going to be. So make sure it's the size you want it to be. So mine overlaps a little bit in the bottom, but that's fine. So first off, we're actually going to draw the face, which is a little backwards than most of my videos. So we're going to do that by drawing two smaller circles in the middle of our big circle. These are going to be for the eyes. Now inside those smaller circles, we're going to draw two even smaller circles. So in the bottom left corner, we're going to draw a little circle. And in the top right corner, we're going to draw an even smaller circle. Now I'm going to color in these little circles, except for the tiny circles inside these little circles, which may be a little confusing. Next, I'm going to draw the mouth. So I'm going to start by drawing a horizontal line or a line that goes side to side right below this. And because I want it to be a smiling earth, I'm not going to leave it just like this. But you can leave it like this if you want, or you can do any type of smile you want. But I'm going to connect the end of this horizontal line with a U shape, just like that. Now, to finish off this face, I'm going to draw an upside down U shape inside this U shape to be the tongue. And I'm just going to color in everything except for the tongue in the mouth. But you can do any sort of expression you want, and you can add any details to the face you want. So, next, we're going to be drawing the land on our earth, or the continents. Now these aren't exactly what our continents look like because we're simplifying it, but this is how we're going to be doing it. So I'm going to go up right above the eye and I'm going to draw a curved line just like that. Now it sort of looks like an eyebrow, but it's not going to be, although you can add eyebrows if you want. Then I'm going to take the one edge of this and I'm going to curve it inward. I'm going to take the other edge and I'm going to curve it in to connect to there. Now we're going to be using a little bit of our overlapping skills. So I'm going to start over here and I'm going to draw the same curved line we did up here, but starting here. So I'm going to curve it, then we're going to pretend it's going under the mouth, then pop back out on the other side just like that. Now, like I did before, I'm going to be taking the edge of this and bringing it here, and then we're going to use our overlapping skills once again, and we're going to start bringing this down, pretend it goes through, and then bring it out the bottom to connect. Now, we're going to add some more land. So over here, I'm just going to draw a big squiggly line, just like that. And then I'm also going to do a smaller one at the top. And then finally, I'm going to do one more on the left side. So a little squiggly line. So now I'm going to go on right into coloring. So you can leave your drawing just like this and it would look great. But you can also color it in. So you can color it in however you want. But here's how I'll be coloring in mine. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to be using my Prismacolor Premier colored pencils to color this in. So I'm going to start by going in with grass green. And I'm going to be coloring in the land here. Now, I will be fast forwarding this, but you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Great! Now I'm going to be going in with True Blue, and I'm going to be coloring in the rest of this. So all the water that's in between the land. Now, once again, I will be fast forwarding this, but you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Awesome! Now, finally, I'm going to be going in with Crimson Red, and I'm just going to color in the tongue. Now, I'm not fast forwarding this because it's just a tiny little section, but if I still color it in too fast for you, then you can just pause the video and color it in, and then press play once you're ready. So there we go. If you want to show me a drawing, ask your parent or teacher to email me a picture to jossaskidsdraw@gmail.com. If your drawing doesn't look like mine, that's fine. Being unique is great. Plus, as long as you had fun, that's what matters most. And remember, practicing will pay off. So make sure you check out my last video, how to draw a water bottle. And stay tuned because there will be more videos coming really, really soon. So, I'll see you guys next time, and keep on drawing till then. Bye!